Welcome to our channel. In this fast guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of registering for a LendingTree loan. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, buy a home, or finance a big purchase, LendingTree can help you find the right loan options. Follow these easy steps to start your loan application today. Step 1. Visit the LendingTree website. Go to the official LendingTree website. You'll find a user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate the loan options available. Step 2. Choose the type of loan. On the homepage, select the type of loan you're interested in, e.g., personal loans, mortgage loans, auto loans. Clicking on your preferred loan category will lead you to specific offerings and criteria. Step 3. Fill out the loan request form. After choosing your loan type, you'll be prompted to fill out a loan request form. This form typically asks for personal information, including your name, address, income, and credit score. Be honest and accurate to receive the best options. Step 4. Review your loan offers. Once you submit your application, LendingTree will match you with multiple lenders. You'll receive loan offers based on your profile. Review these offers carefully, considering interest rates, terms, and fees. Step 5. Compare loan options. Take the time to compare the different loan options. Look at the APR, annual percentage rate, repayment terms, and monthly payment amount. This comparison will help you make an informed decision. Step 6. Choose a loan and complete the application. Once you've found a loan that meets your needs, click on it to proceed with the lender's application process. Follow the lender's instructions, which may include providing additional documentation or verification. Step 7. Review and accept the loan terms. Carefully read through the loan terms provided by the lender. Once you're satisfied, you can accept the loan offer. This step may involve signing electronic documents. Step 8. Receive your funds. After the application process is complete and approved, the funds will be dispersed according to the lender's timeline. Make sure to monitor your account for the deposit. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips.